You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Italian painter. We'll be looking at how to say more Italian names and names of famous artists that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now in English for reference, well, in Italian for reference it is said as Sandro Botticelli. Sandro Botticelli. In English, Sandro Botticelli. Botticelli, or in American English, Botticelli. Sandro Botticelli, Sandro Botticelli, or Sandro Botticelli. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.